What is going on, good people, and welcome to another episode of Tailgate Turf Talk. So if you have a cool season lawn and you are looking to improve it, this video is going to be for you, and you have a decision to make. I am going to give you some guidelines to making that decision, but ultimately it's going to be up to you. So to improve that lawn, you have to decide if you want to do a full renovation or if you just want to do a overseed. So let's get into those. Doing a full renovation is going to mean you're going to eliminate your entire existing lawn. And in doing that, you're going to be seeding into either just the debris that is going to be remaining, or you're going to be seeding into bare dirt. So doing a full renovation, a con to that is it is going to be a large project and it is going to take several weeks for you to complete this project. The pro to doing that is you start with a completely new lawn with new cultivars of grass seed that are going to perform better overall, with better drought tolerance, better disease resistance, and also that deeper dark green that we all look for naturally into the plant. The second option is going to be just a overseed. So just doing an overseed is going to mean you're going to come in, either core aerate or power rake your lawn and kind of get the soil prep, thin out that canopy, and then you're just going to seed those new cultivars into that lawn. So if you have a lawn that is fairly decent and not a lot of weeds in it, and you just want to improve it, this could be a good option for you, where it does not take a lot of time to do this. It can be done in a weekend, or you can hire out the aeration portion of that, and all you have to do is put down your seed and a little bit of fertilizer and water properly. So that is definitely a pro to just doing a overseed. One of the cons to doing an overseed is if you have a lawn that is really struggling and that has a lot of weeds into it, and you have to introduce a lot of those new cultivars, it is going to take some time to change the look of that overall lawn. So you'll need to go in and continue to overseed a couple of years in a row. An example of that is my front yard. I've been overseeding that for the past 2 years, and now you can really start to see some of the changes of those new cultivars coming in and really thriving in the lawn and changing the overall look of my front yard. So ultimately, the decision is going to be up to you, but it is time to get prepared now. And in doing that, my next Tailgate Turf Talks over the next couple of releases, we'll go over some of the materials. We'll talk about some of the things that you need to be looking out for as you start to get prepared. Your 2023 lawn begins now and not next spring. So if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns or gardens, just know we work.